going to integrate from 2 to 3 for this fraction. So look at the fraction, this is not linear. Then we try to find out, is it we have this special formula where this is fx, up here is f prime x. So if the denominator is linear, 1 over linear, we always can get the formula of ln. So we test for this. Denominator function is a quadratic. And when we differentiate, we can see 2x plus 4, where we can see we are lacking of the function. We need a function of x plus 1, it's not just x. So these questions, it cannot use formula. When it cannot use formula, we will bring this question to technique. So the technique of integration to solve fraction will be partial fraction. Therefore, the fraction here, we need to express in partial fraction. First step, make sure our fraction is proper. So linear over quadratic is proper, where power 1, denominator is power 2. So numerator power have to be always smaller than denominator. That will be proper. Then secondly, denominator factorize completely for this quadratic. And we're going to split according the factor from the denominator. So we have factor of x minus 1 and x plus 5. Then we're going to identify our numerator of this partial fraction. As we have linear, denominator up here will be smaller ranking, which is constant. So linear up here will be smaller ranking, which is constant also. So constant a and b. Then we're going to build up an equation. We get same to the denominator. So a, we're going to multiply with the factor it don't have, which is x plus 5. For b, you're going to multiply with the factor it don't have, which is x minus 1. So since we have two constants here, we're going to let it 2 times. So let the x to be the roots, which is negative 5 and 1. So when we substitute inside negative 5, we can get b. So negative 5, then negative 1, we get negative 6. So therefore, b here, it will be 5 over 6. And when we substitute 1, it can give us 6a. So a will be 1 over 6. So finally, our fraction can be expressed in partial fraction, where a is 1 over 6 denominator with x minus 1, b is 5 over 6 denominator is x plus 5. Then only we can proceed this fraction in integration. So here will be integrate 2 over 3 for the fractions here. So the fractions here will be 1 over 6 x minus 1 dx plus 2 over 3 5 over 6 x plus 5 dx. So I want to integrate it separately one by one so that I can simplify. We take out 1 over 6, we simplify, integrate 2 over until 3. So formula of fraction. Then 5 over 6 I can factorize out. Integrate 1 over x plus 5. This is formula of fraction. As you can see, denominator now is linear. So 1 over linear, integrate, we can get ln. Make sure you put modulus so that the value inside always positive. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. So again, so coefficient x is a is 1, so divide by 1, it doesn't give us any changes here. So this is 1 over linear, integrate 1 over linear, it is ln. Then over x, coefficient of x, which is 1, so it doesn't give us any changes. We just maintain ln x plus 5, upper limit 3, lower limit 2. Then we're going to substitute our upper limit, which is ln 3 minus 1 minus ln 2. Then we can press our calculator. So give your answer more to 3 significant figure. So at least 3 significant figure here. So that's all for these questions. Thanks for watching.